Yes, now let us see another problem where we have to find the function using Newton's divided difference formula. So for the given, so here the problem, the way of asking will be different here. So they will ask you given the values, given tabular values, or for the given values, fit a polynomial or find the polynomial, whatever it is. Given values, find, fit a polynomial using Newton's divided difference formula. Using Newton's divided difference formula. So if he mentions the method, we have to follow exactly the method what he mentions. So now see the problem. I am giving you the values vertically. In paper, question paper, they will give you horizontally. So straight away I am taking the values vertically. -4, -1, 0, 2, 5. These are the arguments given. Corresponding to the arguments, the values of, corresponding values of f are 1245, 33, 5, 9 and 1335. These are the values. So now let us see how to prepare the difference table. So here it is divided difference table. First divided difference. So 13 minus 1245. 13 minus 1245 by 33 minus 1245 by, so here it is -1 minus of -4, -1 minus of -4. So first divided difference, that is as usual how you prepare a difference table for either Newton's forward or Newton's backward. So that turns to be -404. So this is our first divided difference of x0, x1. So next we have 5 minus 33. 5 minus 33 by 0 minus of -1. 0 minus of -1. So this is equal to 5 minus 33 is -28. So minus into minus plus 1. That is the first divided difference between x1 and x2. Next 9 minus 5 by 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0. So this is 9 minus 5, 4. 4 by 2 is 2. Next 1335 minus 9 by 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. So if you evaluate, if you calculate using Calc, that will be 440. This is the first divided difference. Next second divided difference. Second divided difference is, we denote it like this, -28. So the better to write here, this is x1, x2. This is first divided difference x2, x3. This is first divided difference of x3, x4. Now in the denominator, so no problem with the numerator because all the time we take these values only. So if we write to the center, this is -28, minus into minus plus 404 by, so here you have to write x2 minus x0. Last value here, first value here, x2 minus x0. So if you just note it down, this is x0, x1, x2, x3, x4. Correspondingly, this is y0 or f of x0. So now here x2 minus x0. x2 is 0, 0 minus x0 is -4. So that comes to be 94. 94. Next, 2 minus of -28 by x3 minus x1. What is x3 minus x1? 2 x3 minus x1. x1 is -1. Minus of -1. So if you calculate, it is 28 plus 2, 30. 30 by 3 is 10. All are positive. Next, 442 minus 2 by x4 minus x2. x4 is 5 minus x4 minus x2. x2 is 0. So this is 440 by 5, it is 88. So now this is second divided difference of x0, x1, x2, and this is second divided difference of x1, x2, x3. This is second divided difference of x2, x3, x4. So this is the second divided difference. Now let us see the third divided difference. So for the third divided difference, what is that we have to calculate? 10 minus 94, there is no change in that. 10 minus 94 by only denominator values. See the last value x3 minus x0. What is x3? 2 minus x0 is minus of minus 4. So this is 10 minus 94 is minus 84. Minus 84 by 6. Minus 84 by 6 is minus. So we get 4 minus 14. Next, 88 minus 10. 88 minus 10 by x4 minus x1. What is x4? 5. x4 minus x1. x1 is minus 1. Minus of minus 1. So it is 88 minus 10 is 78. 78 by 6 is 30. 78 by 6, 30. So this is third divided difference of x0, x1, x2, x3. This is third divided difference of x1, x2, x3, x4. So now here, finally, last one. Fourth divided difference. Fourth divided difference. It is 13 minus of minus 14 by x4 minus x0. What is x4? 5. x0 is minus 4. 5 minus of minus 4. So its value is 13 plus 14, 27. 27 by 9 is 3. This is third divided difference of x0. Fourth divided difference of x0, x1, x2, x3, x4. So now here they asked us to evaluate or fit a polynomial. Fit a polynomial. As we have done in Lagrange's interpolation formula, here also we use the same thing. Instead of x, we use x. What is Newton's divided difference formula? F of x is equal to, so you can take y naught or f of x naught plus x minus x naught into first divided difference of x naught x1 plus x minus x naught x minus x1 into second divided difference of x naught x1 x2 plus x minus x naught x minus x1 x minus x2 into third divided difference of x0, x1, x2, x3. Finally, because we have up to fourth divided difference, we have to write the fourth one also. X minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3, and fourth divided difference of x1, x2, x3, x4 plus so on. So we get formula goes on plus so on. Now here important thing what you have to remember is fit a polynomial means here x is equal to x only. No value, numerical value is to be written in place of x wherever you have here. Write x as x. Therefore the polynomial f of x is equal to, what is f of x naught? 1245 plus x minus x naught. X naught is minus 4, so that becomes plus 4. First divided difference is minus 404 plus x minus x naught is x plus 4. X minus x1 is plus 1, so that minus 1, so that becomes plus 1. Second divided difference is 94 plus x plus 4 into x plus 1 into x. x2 is 0. X minus x2 is 0, so it is x. Third divided difference is minus 14 plus x plus 4, x plus 1 into x, into x minus x3 is 2. X minus x3 is x minus 2 into last one, fourth divided difference is 3. After that all are zeros. We can stop here. So now if you calculate this, if you simplify this, you will get it as 3x power 4 minus 5x cube plus 6x square minus 14x plus 5. Now how to verify whether the polynomial what you got is right or wrong? Put x is equal to minus 4, you should get 1245. Put x is equal to minus 1, you will get 33. Put x is equal to 0, it is very clear, 5. Next, put x3 is equal to 2, you should get 9. Put x4 is equal to 5, you should get 1335. So no need to ask any correction or anything here. Just you can verify on your own whether the polynomial what you got is right or wrong by substituting x values. You should get corresponding y values.